Alright guys, so today we're going to be adding some sound effects. I'm gonna add in a gunshot sound. That was loud. Alright, 0.5. Still quite loud. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we're gonna make another script. Sound effect script. And then SR sound effects. What we want to do is we want audio underscore play underscore sound, and then the sound ID argument. So if you want to learn how to use arguments and stuff, check out the latest video, GML top-down shooter scripting. It covers a bit of this. A priority, one, a loops, false. So basically, we can just type in. I'll just show you. Right, so we go to our player object. Actually, we don't need to. We go into our shooting script, and when the player presses the button to shoot, it shoots the bullet, and then we can add the sound effect, SCR underscore sound effects, and then we can type in the sound ID, just like that. And since we have it fixed with the argument, it just should work like that. See? Sound effects. And what we might want is to like have a thing for hovering over a button. Mouse over button. Nice little sound effect. So we might want in our button, if enter audio underscore play underscore sound. No. Yeah, you can do this by itself, but you can do this and enter all the sound ID and stuff. Let me just do something like that. You can do this and enter all the parody, sound ID, parody, and loop, if it loops or not. But I'm not gonna do that. So because we have a script for it, sound effects. Alright, so and then we can have our mouse over button. Alright. So we have this. Alright, and we can launch our game. We'll hover over. Get this nice little sound effect. So now we have, oh, whoops. Now we have a bit of sound. Yeah, that's sound effects. And we have all our scripts here, nice and neat in these groups. So, yeah, basically that's it for this episode of a GML top-down shooter, where we learned sound effects. So yeah, goodbye.